let's start on the first question. ACJC Prelim 2018. Right, the reaction of nitrogen monoxide and hydrogen gas is as shown, is thought to involve the following steps. Which of the following about the reaction is true? Hydrogen acts as a catalyst. I don't think hydrogen acts as a catalyst in this question, because actually hydrogen, you can see that it is being used up, but it's not being regenerated, right? So it's actually more like a reactant. Okay, so this is out. The rate of reaction for the rate equation for the reaction is rate equals to K N2O2 H2. You can actually see from the slow step, right? You can see from the slow step, rate equation is obtained from the slow step, which means this. I can write down the rate equation to be rate equals to K N2O2, right? This one because it's 1, so to the power of 1, right? The first order. Here so 1, so first order also respect to hydrogen. Can you see that? First order respect hydrogen, first order respect N2O2. But the problem is N2O2 here, you can see that N2O2 is a catalyst. Not a catalyst, it's an intermediate. Okay, it's intermediate. So because it's an intermediate, it cannot appear in your rate equation. It is being produced, and then after that it's being used up. So it's an intermediate. It cannot appear in your rate equation. So you have to replace it. So how do you replace it? You replace N2O2 by replace it with 2NO. Alright, so actually there's a bit of I'm just going to show you the proof. So if you look at step 1, right, it looks like that. Kc equals to concentration N2O2 over NO squared, right? So you can see from here, N2O2, the concentration is actually Kc NO squared. So you take this and you sub in here. Alright, so this will look like that. Kc NO square H2, right? So NO is fine because NO is a reactant. So in fact I would say it's K prime NO square H2. Okay, so which means it follows this rate equation. So B is definitely correct. Okay, so the answer should be B. The overall order is so you look at it, this is definitely wrong, because this is over here you can see it's second order, but this is only first order, right? So this definitely this is wrong. Okay, the overall order is 3. Yes. Okay, so 2 plus 1 equals to 3. As you can see, it's actually going to be a third order reaction. Okay, so definitely this is C. Increasing the concentration NO does not change the rate of reaction. It's not true, because if I increase NO over here, the rate will definitely increase.